Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix standard notes not opening step by step. If standard notes won't launch or keeps closing immediately after you try to open it, the problem is usually related to the application, your device, or an outdated installation. So let's get started. First, completely close standard notes and try opening it again. If you're using a computer, check your task manager or activity monitor to make sure the app isn't still running in the background. On a mobile device, force close the app and launch it again. Next, restart your device. Yeah, a simple reboot can clear temporary system issues that may be preventing standard notes from opening properly. Once your device starts back up, try launching the app again. If the problem continues, check whether you're using the latest version of standard notes. Visit the official website or your device's app store and install any available updates. Software updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that resolve startup problems. You should also make sure your device meets the application system requirements and has enough available storage space. If the app is corrupted, uninstall standard notes and reinstall the latest version from the official source. After reinstalling, sign in with your account to sync your encrypted notes. Finally, if standard notes still won't open, review any error messages, check your operating system for pending updates, and contact Standard Notes support if the issue remains unresolved. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix standard notes not opening and get the app working again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in